What cooking gadgets or tools do you typically use in the kitchen?
I love using my blender. It's great for making smoothies. What about you?
Blenders are useful. For me, I can't do without my trusty chef's knife. It's super sharp and makes chopping veggies a breeze.
Yeah, a good knife is an important tool. What else do you like to use?
Well, I have a food processor. It makes mixing dough a piece of cake.
I often use a scale which measures my ingredients perfectly. It's a real time saver.
What kind of scale do you use? I've been thinking about buying one myself. Gadget. Gadget. Food processor. Food processor.
Blender. Blender. Ingredient. Ingredient.